January, but nobody is talking about these aspects. Nobody want to touch the aspects. The report which was made available said 3,250 mostly Igbo citizens have been unlawfully arrested or adopted by the Nigeria Security Force since January 2021. And if counted from October and November 2020, with the adoption of 550 adopted victims of the Obigbo River State massacre, then it will be correctly to say that a total of 3,800 Igbo citizens, let me say Biafra citizens, were unlawfully arrested and adopted without trial and investigation. These people, they are there suffering. Between October 21st and August 20th, 2021, a period of 9 months and 20 days, they have been under the custody of Nigeria government without no trial, without not taking them to court. These people, they are just there. And according to the report, some of them are not even alive anymore. In the report, Imo and Rivers State got the highest number of arrests, with over 900 people each. Oh my God. And 820 disappeared citizens, out of which 2,400 were taken into custody alive and released on still detained alive. Also, out of the 1,400 others, the whereabouts of 820 is unknown or presumed dead in custody, while 580 others were traceable, found to have been killed. Yes, I'm sorry when you see me looking down. I'm reading the story in details so that we will understand each of it. Now, those people that were kidnapped, those people that were under police custody, not legally, illegally kidnapped them, they are brothers and sisters of human beings. A mother pushed these children out. They have sisters, they have brothers, they have family, they have father and they have mother. That is why when you record the last discussion that Ifeanyi, that is a barrister, the IPOP barrister, the last speech he made, he said, mind you, it is not only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that is in detention, that they have thousands of Biafrans in Nigeria custody, that today nobody is talking about it. They just catch them, they hold them, they go and drop them in Abuja. And somebody will say nobody should talk about it. If this thing would have happened to a member of your family, I believe by now you would let loose. But when it happens to somebody else, you say the person should not talk. Have we heard about the Fulani herdsmen being captured for days in Southeast? No. Even the one that were captured the other day, Ebonyi State governor came out and said, before he went to the prison the next day, they said they've released them, even without his notice. Shine your eye and support your own. What they are doing now, you may think that it has not happened to you. That is why you don't want to be part, or that is why you will not need Biafra, or that is why you don't want Biafra to come. When you get to your doorpost, you will see the reason why you need this Biafra. Look at innocent youth. They don't even know the way about of some of them. They don't even know if some of them are gone or not. There is no proper record. Oh my God, who does this? No proper record, no proper information, nothing proper. They will just carry them and drop them and nobody is talking about it. The only voice for the voiceless has been kidnapped and people are saying, don't talk about him. Why are we going to stop talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? He has been fighting for everybody, including you, that is saying that we should not talk about him. So what are we saying? Look at what happened in Rivers State. And some people in Rivers State who said they are not Biafra, arresting people innocently. They don't even talk about the ones that have been killed. Nobody is talking about it at all. At times it baffles me. How will police or army just go to somebody's house and carry the person, and tomorrow they will say they did not see the person, and everybody will keep quiet and leave the family to cry and mourn their own person? This is not the type of life we should be living. This is exactly why you will stand up to your rights. You have right to freedom. You have right to live life like every other human being. You have right to breathe the hell good, in a very good way. So why have you been oppressed and you are keeping quiet? What even baffles me these days is that some of them will come out and said, I know that we have not been treating us very well in Nigeria. The fairness is not there, but let's take this easy. For how long? For how many years have you been taking this easy? What our mother could not do for us, why can't we stand up and do it for our children and the unborn generation? They captured our parents. They killed our parents. They do every other thing to our parents to make sure they never talk about Biafra. And the children now rose up and said, no, we need our freedom. Then why can't you support? All what you know how to do is to say, yes, so if we said they should sit down at home, NECO will not. Who did education help in that Nigeria? You are crying for NECO that they did not write. Even if they write the NECO, they did not write the NECO. And they still want to keep from those people that wrote the NECO. What did the person use the result to do? What did he do with the certificates? Nothing. He do nothing with the certificates. How many graduates are roaming on the streets? How many graduates have been doing one thing or the other, being a keke driver and the rest? Education is good, no doubt. But the way Nigeria handles education, it makes somebody not to even have the feelings of saying, I want to go to school. Because if you did not know somebody that knows somebody, even if you write the WAEC, your parents did not know somebody that knows somebody, you are not going to gain admission into that university. And even if you do, if the money is not there, you cannot even further the education. So these are some of the things that they want you to live a very good life, that when you graduate from university, you will be able to work. And a life that after you finish your NECO, your WAEC, you can be bold to say, I'm going to sit down for JAM and I'm going to the university the next step. You see some people in northern part of Nigeria, you people are not the same. This NECO they are doing, you people are doing a 6 subjects or 7. In the northern part of Nigeria, they are doing half. Have you seen in the northern part of Nigeria where a cutoff mark is 12 overweighting? When people even scored 400, 300, 200, they can't even get admission into the university. But in northern part of Nigeria, they even beg for 12. 12. If your cutoff mark is if you have up to 12, you are already a university student already, without fees and all that, just because they say they don't want to go to school, so they are begging them. But you that want to go to school, who is begging you? Who is making it easy for you to go to the school? So we need our freedom. Yes, we need our freedom. Enough is enough. They have to free the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because he committed no crime. And those other people that are in detention, they still have to release them, because a lot of them has been killed. A lot of them are nowhere to be found and nobody is talking about it. That is the problem we are having. Nobody is talking about it. Nobody cares about it. And it's so bad. The Southeast governors, they have sold their conscience to their master. Imagine the torture they are going to get from Buhari. Buhari will tell them, why did you allow this thing to happen? Hey, you think that because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is there are 1 million Mazi Nnamdi Kanu down. They think when they arrest Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, hey, nothing will happen anymore. The vision and the spirit of Biafra will die, but they were so surprised when men rose up. So, my wonderful family, anytime you are praying for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, also pray for those that are in detention. Also pray for those that are under the captivity of Nigeria army unlawfully, that they don't even know their way about, that God in his infinite mercy should locate them. If they are alive, let them know. And if they have gone, let people also know, because as it is now, there is no record. They just go and arrest people, no record. When the mother cry out that my son is arrested, they will say no, they did not arrest the son. No, they don't even know his whereabouts right now, and nobody's talking about it. That is shisey. It is so bad, and it is so wrong. So, my wonderful family, I choose to leave you here so that you will know that there are other people also that are in detention, not only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There are a lot of people as well that are under Nigeria unlawful detained DSS custody. So you know. All right, I choose to leave you here, and you know the way we do it. If you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you then waiting for? Click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to notify. Meanwhile, I really appreciate everyone for your support, for your love, for connecting, and for the correction. I am so grateful. Thank you very much. I choose to take my leave right now. See you in a very short while.